You have a shotgun, and there's an arrogant enemy in front of you. You happen to have 3 types of shells in your hand: birdshot, buckshot, and a slug. Which ammo should you use? Birdshot seems good, so you load and shoot. But why is the enemy still jumping around? Let's look at the birdshot. The pellets are numerous and small. Energy is dispersed. Great for birds, but not so effective for humans. Maybe try buckshot. The enemy is down. Do you plan to rest now? Another enemy appears ahead. He is quite far away. The shotgun pellets might spread too much to hit him. You feel your pocket and find a monkey. Quickly fit it for Christmas shooting. Wow, that was close. Suddenly 4 enemies jump out in front of you. The shotgun can't cover them simultaneously. Fortunately, you have a duckbill choke. Quickly install and fire. 4 eliminations. It was a narrow escape. You're getting ready to hydrate. Yet another adversary reveals themselves afar. It's so far that even the choke can't help. Suddenly you remember you have a rifled slug. Shooting a rifled slug, it spins due to the grooves and flies steadily towards the enemy. The enemy is down. That's good news. Suddenly, an enemy with body armor appears. The slug can't penetrate. The situation is urgent. You remember you have an arrow-shaped shell in your bag. This modern shell isn't made of lead pellets, but many small darts. The darts pierce through the body armor. After you take the adversary down, suddenly a marksman shows up in your rear. His aim isn't impressive. You take cover and realize he's stationed 300 meters away, wearing body protection. You doubt your chances of prevailing, but ready yourself for destiny's call when you stumble upon a semi-armor piercing round. The moment has come, hasn't it? Fire the semi-sabot shell. After leaving the barrel, it splits, and the core flies straight towards the enemy and hits. You are a little genius. You are safe now. The bloody day finally ends. Who knows what tomorrow will bring? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Gangnam Style.